gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
Last year, Honor introduced the Magic V Flip, and honestly, it set a whole new standard for compact foldables. That big outer display was like a dream come true, instantly raising the bar in the small foldable phone market. Now, after a year of upgrades, we've got its successor, the Honor Magic Vi Flip 2, and it's sleeker, stronger, and way more stylish. So let's dive into the full hands-on review. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. First up, the design. The unit I have here is in the Dream Blue finish, created by Design Maestro Proof Jimmy. It even carries his signature, delicately engraved like starlight, brushed across a deep blue night sky. It's elegant, futuristic, and blends art with technology beautifully. Around the camera module, you'll notice a fine Parisian nail-like texture, adding a touch of luxury that makes this design stand out. In the hand, the Magic V Flip 2 feels compact yet premium. It weighs just 204 grams, measures 6.9 millimeters when unfolded, and 15.5 millimeters when folded, like a little treasure that easily fits in your palm. But don't let its size fool you, because this phone packs a massive 15.5 and 100 milliamp hour battery with 80-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. In testing, it went from 0 to full in about 50 minutes. Plus, you're getting IP58/IP59 water resistance, so you're covered even on rainy days. Now let's talk about the displays. The inner screen is a big 6.82-inch panel, while the outer one measures 4 inches, and both are loaded with eye-friendly features. The inner screen supports 433 20Hz PWM dimming and reaches a peak brightness of 1800 nits, while the outer screen cranks it up to 2800 nits. Even under direct sunlight, visibility is no issue. Both displays support LTPO adaptive refresh rates, AI-powered dynamic color, Dolby enhancements, and all-day always-on display options. Simply put, the screens look amazing from every angle. And what about durability? Honor has reinforced this with 50-micron ultra-tough UTG glass and their new-gen Lubin hinge, which makes the crease almost invisible. The phone is tested to survive 350,000 folds, and even after 5 years of heavy use, it'll still look flat and fresh. No wonder it has SGS certification for long-term durability. The outer screen is now even more functional. You get full support for system apps like Calendar, Notes, Photos, and Calls. Plus, many third-party apps like Weibo, TikTok, and JD are fully optimized. And if your favorite app isn't supported, you can still add it manually via the Lab feature. In fact, you could even use the outer screen to play games like Genshin Impact or Honor of Kings, if you're bold enough. Everyday tasks are also super convenient. Checking the time, scanning QR codes for payments, booking a cab, or even opening mini games instantly. The new cute pet themes add a fun twist too, with interactive characters like a little monkey, a fluffy Westie, or a lucky cloud that responds in real time. You can also set live photos or AI-generated wallpapers for a personalized look. When it comes to cameras, the Magic V Flip 2 delivers. You're getting a 200 megapixel main camera with f1.9 aperture paired with a 120-degree ultra-wide lens. Selfies are versatile too, covering focal lengths from 13mm to 72mm. No matter how you shoot, the results look professional. Plus, Honor has added 6 new portrait film filters, AI-powered background cleanup, wrinkle reduction, and ultra-clear image processing. Portraits look sharper, facial details stand out, and cluttered backgrounds disappear with a single tap. And it's not just about photos. The Magic V Flip 2 is loaded with AI productivity features in MagicOS 9. Imagine typing a single sentence and instantly generating a PPT outline, transferring files seamlessly across Android, iPhone, PC, and Mac, or even generating code with one command. This is where foldables go beyond being just stylish. They're becoming powerful tools. Performance-wise, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, so whether you're gaming on Genshin or multitasking, it runs smoothly without heating up. So, wrapping this up, the Honor Magic Vi Flip 2 nails everything that matters: battery life, durability, water resistance, AI features, photography, and design. It's stylish, powerful, and practical. Honestly, it's shaping up to be the best compact foldable of the year. If you're planning to get a foldable in 2025, this is one you definitely don't want to miss. So what are your thoughts on this device? Which feature stands out as your favorite? Share your opinion in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tech videos and follow me on X for the latest tech updates and deals. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.